Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wireless power with a fun DIY project, a wireless LED. This simple demonstration showcases the magic of magnetic induction. You'll be amazed at how easily you can light an LED without any wires. So, what do we need? First, we need two copper coils. These coils are the heart of our wireless power transfer system. One coil will act as the transmitter, and the other will be the receiver. For the transmitter coil, we'll need some enameled copper wire, a battery, a transistor, and a resistor. The receiver coil will also use the enameled copper wire, but this time, it'll be connected directly to an LED. Let's start building. For the transmitter coil, carefully wind the enameled copper wire around a cylindrical object, like a pen or a marker. Aim for about 20 to 30 turns. Make sure the turns are neat and close together. Once you're done, secure the coil with tape and remove the cylinder. This is your transmitter coil. Now, for the receiver coil, repeat the same process, winding the enameled copper wire around another cylinder. Again, aim for around 20 to 30 turns. Secure it with tape and remove the cylinder. This is your receiver coil. At this point, you should have two identical-looking copper coils. Now, let's wire up the transmitter. Connect one end of the transmitter coil to the collector of the transistor. The emitter of the transistor goes to the negative terminal of your battery. Add a resistor between the base of the transistor and the positive terminal of the battery. This helps control the current. Then, connect the other end of the transmitter coil to the positive terminal of the battery. Make sure all your connections are secure. On the other hand, the receiver is very straightforward. Simply connect the two ends of the receiver coil to the positive and negative terminals of the LED. Make sure the polarity is correct. The longer leg of the LED is usually positive. Now for the moment of truth. Place the receiver coil close to the transmitter coil. When you bring the receiver coil near the transmitter, watch the LED light up. That's wireless power transfer in action. The transmitter coil creates a magnetic field when current flows through it. This magnetic field induces a current in the receiver coil, which lights up the LED. The closer the coils, the brighter the LED will be. This simple demonstration beautifully illustrates the principles of magnetic induction, the same technology used in wireless charging pads and many other applications. Isn't that amazing? It shows that you don't always need wires to power something. This project is a great way to learn about electronics and electromagnetism. Feel free to experiment with different coil sizes and numbers of turns to see how it affects the LED's brightness. You can also try different LEDs or batteries. Just always be safe and careful with your connections. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your materials, build your own wireless LED, and experience the wonder of wireless power firsthand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.